Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Wireone Electrical. My name is Josh Nelson. Spoke with Angela this morning, reached out to her, she gave me your guys' email, and I wanted to get this video sent out to you guys. What this video is going to show you is some information on how you guys can start grabbing more customers' attention online by adapting some of your website designs and some of the way it's laid out, as well as the content involved in it, SEO, as well as your Google My Map Pack, right? So we're going to dive right into it here. And first things first is your guys' website, right? It's a good looking website. It's really clean. It's very obvious. We got a call number and you got email right there as well. But you guys don't have a lot of content. Content being obviously all the words, right? One thing that Google loves is content. They love it. I don't know why, but they just do. So adding more content to your guys' website is going to beneficiate you guys a lot. Not just any kinds of content, but keyword-rich content, right? And one way we can see that you guys need to have more keyword-rich content is right here, right? We can go into Google. This is a page I like to use. There's free softwares out there that can get you the same results, but I like to use this one. We prefer this one here. So I'm going to go into the keywords that you guys have. We're going to look over it and kind of explain what we're looking for, right? So one keyword that you guys have in your website is Wireone. It's getting about 800 search volume every single month, and you guys are in the first position for that, right? So that's your business. It's your name. You should come up first. But we have another one, Clinton electricians, right? People in Clinton want to search for an electrician. There's 900 people doing that every single month. And you guys are only in 13th position for that. So we want to start grabbing some of these lower position keywords. We want to start ranking them up, as well as grabbing some other ones that other customers or other businesses have, right? And so one way we can do that is actually compare you guys to Mr. Electric in Des Moines, I believe they're in. And we can figure out what's working for them. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take their URL, put it in here into Ahrefs, and we're going to figure out what they have for keywords. And see, look at the search volume that these guys have for keywords, right? 18,000, 6,900, 3,500, 26,400, 4,800, 1,600, right? These are all really, really big, high searches, and they have them in their website because they're going to grab more attention, right? So we want to have those in there. Positioning is all based off of how often you use it and how you guys rank your site with backlinks, right? And so that's going to be our next step here is our backlinks. And similar to keywords here, we can compare and contrast right with this tool, right? We can go in and figure out what kinds of backlinks that your competition has and what kind of backlinks that you guys don't have. And so that way you can go out and get all of these backlinks that they have. Because if it's working for them, why not put it into your guys' website and make it work for you, right? And there's no rule saying that you can't do it. So once that loads here. But another thing that I'm going to go over here quick is the Google My Business Map Pack while it's loading. I mentioned we were going to go over this, and first things first is some ads, right? We have early bird detectors. You guys are running ads. That's great. It works, right? But the other thing that we want to have as well is to be in this top 3 of the Google My Business portion of the Map Pack, right? Or the Google Map Pack or the Google Business Pack. Whatever you decide to call it, right? We want to be in these top 3 because these get 90% of the services, right? People just are too lazy and they don't want to go far, so they grab the first one, Mr. Electric, Central Iowa, right? That's why we were comparing them right here in Ahrefs to you guys, because they're popping up number 1. They're doing something right? I mean, they have 411 reviews. We can go out and figure out how many photos they have in there. There's all kinds of things we can compare and contrast that you guys need to start implementing into your website alone. But back to backlinks. I think this is probably loaded here. Yeah, so here we go. We have just an outstanding number of backlinks, domains, and keywords, right? And so there is just kind of the black and white obvious of like, holy cow, we were sitting in maybe 1,000 to a couple hundred keywords and referring domains and back, so it's a numbers game, but we also want to have good, effective stuff, like good, effective backlinks, good, effective keywords, high search volume for the keywords. There's all kinds of things that we want to take into consideration, but with that being said, guys, I hope that was loaded with information for you guys. You can start applying it to yourself, or if not, we'd be happy to help you and work with you as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns in regards to this video, please feel free to reach back out to me. All information will be in that email. With that being said, guys, thank you very much and have a great day.